Good morning, all.
Attendance miss parayile.
Yes, mark your attendance now. All of you mark your attendance. Mark your attendance.
Good morning, miss.
Good morning.
Good morning, miss.
Good morning. Mark your attendance, all of you. Mark your attendance. How are you all?
Miss grammar worksheet
Grammar worksheet. All of you take out your textbook. Grammar completed, no? Not see. All. No. I'm asking about our lesson. Go past chair. Grammar worksheet completed, no?
No.
And no. And grammar. Listen. Okay, I understood. Grammar worksheet page number 65. Now today we can study. Page number 65. Filling the blanks with is or are. Am I correct? Yes or no? And what did we learn in our previous class? How to use has and have. You know has and have? Say. Say, answer, say. Has. H-A, has. Yes, where we can use has? Can you say? Has.
Singular.
Singular. He. Has he. She.
Name.
It. He, she, it. Okay. He, she, it. Page number 65. Not 65. Sorry. Page number 65. You can take now page number 65. I asked what did we learn in our previous class. Previous class, page number 53. We how to use make as many sentences as you can go. Has and have. Okay. Singular noun means a noun. Singular no. Noun means name of person or things or animal. Noun means name of person or things or animal. Any noun we use has. Any noun we use has. He, she, it. We can use has. And Next one, have. H-A-V-E, have. Have, you know, I have, you have, we have,
We have.
they have. We can use have. I, you, we, they. We can use have. Plural noun means more than one noun. If it is one noun, we use with. If it is one noun, we will use with has. More than one, plural, we can use have. Did you understand how to use have and have, has and have?
Miss, which is the page number?
Mone, page number, today we can study page number 65. We learned in our previous class about has and have. Once again I explained.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, understood, Ishan?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. What did we learn in our previous class? Where we can use has and have. Once again I explained. All of you listen here. Has. Singular. He, she, it. Noun means name of person or things or animal. Any noun we use with, any one noun we use with singular. We use has. Any one noun we use has. And now have. Have, you know, I have, you have, second person, third person, he have, we have, have. Mone, listen here. What did we learn in our previous class? Where we can use has or have. കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്താ പഠിച്ചത് എന്നാണ് മിസ് ചോദിച്ചത്. ഹാവും ഹാസും. ഹാസ് I have, you have, we have, and they have. Noun means name of person or things or animal. Any noun we use with, any singular noun we use with has. Any noun we use has. And plural noun means more than one. More than one noun, plural. More than one noun. Did you understand? If it is one noun, we use has. If it is more than one noun, we use have. Did you understand? I have, you have, they have, we have, plural. Okay. Filling the blanks with is or are. Helping words he, she, it, this, that, etc. Okay, all of you take out your page number 65. First one, these are children. These are. Okay. Take out your textbook, page number 65, grammar portion, filling the blanks with is or are. Use is. Okay. Look at the screen. First one, use is or are. Your textbook. Is, where we can use is. Use is singular. When you are talking about one person, one thing, we can use is. Use is singular when you are talking about one person, one thing, like that. Okay, example, first one, these. These are already first one done for you. These are children. It's singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural, children. These are children, plural. So we use are. Next one, this. All of you take out a textbook, page number 65. This dash and this dash and it's a singular or plural?
Singular.
Only one. Then we use is. Right.
Singular.
Third one, this dash a lion.
This is lion.
Singular is. Fourth one, these these chicks, chicks, chicks.
Plural. Plural.
Very good. Fifth one, once again, this dash a kite. It's singular or plural?
Singular.
Then use is. Okay. Did you understand where we can use is and or are?
Yes.
Okay. Use is singular when you are talking about one person, one thing. We use is. Next, exercise B we can do now.
Yes.
All of you ready?
Yes, I am ready, miss.
Okay, Shan, all of you say answer. Are you ready?
Go. Yes.
Yes.
It's very easy for you now. Next one, write is, am or are. Write is, am or are. Exercise B. Write is, am or are. Next, is singular, are plural. Then am always used with I. I am always used with I. Don't forget that. Please, children, please you remember. I am always used with I. I am always used with I. Next, now you can do first one. I am a girl. I am a girl. First one. I am already one done for you. I am a girl. 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 First one already done for you. Second one, again I. Is or am or are?
Am.
Yes. Old. Am always used with. Look at this. Am always used with I. Okay. Third one. Page number 66. This. Singular or plural, check it. This my family. Is or is. This is my family. Fourth one, be. Going to
Grandma's house. We are going to
Grandma's house.
house.
Because we plural. Then are. We are. Sixth one. Fifth one, this one, no? Grandma and grandpa. Grandma and grandpa. Fifth one. Grandma and grandpa. Grandma and grandpa. Singular or plural? Plural. So we use am or are or is. Are. A-R-E-R. Last sixth one. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you
going?
are. Okay. Where are you going? Did you understand, children? Where we can use am, is, are. Did you understand? Yes or no? All of you say.
Miss.
All of you say. If you have any doubt, ask me. Now, did you understand?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Is used with am you always use with I. Don't forget that. I am a woman. I am a girl. I am a teacher. I am 6 years old. I am 7 years old. Oh, I am always used with I. That don't forget that. Okay. Helping verbs are. Did you understand? Next we can do. Next exercise C homework you can do. Exercise C homework. Okay. Okay, children. C homework. Look at the picture, filling the blanks with is or are. Homework. It already one done for you. It is Vani's birthday party. She, second one, she dash going to cut the cake. Is or are? Say is. Third one, her friends dash having have fun. Are. Next, they dash enjoying. They means not singular. They also plural. They are. Next, John dash under the table. Is. Madhav dash dancing.
Is.
It's homework. C and D homework. Has or have you can do yourself. Vani. First one, you exercise D. Write has or have. First one, Vani. Vani is a one person. So we have to use has. Vani has. Use every day. Second one, she. She
Have.
She have or has?
Has.
Has. Next one, Vimal dash 3 pencil. Vimal dash 3 pencil.
Has.
Has. Next one, I dash 2 pencil.
Have.
I have. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Next one. C and D homework. D. E Filling the blanks with is, am, or have. Filling the blanks with is, am, or have. First one, I always, am always used with the, am always used with am, am always used with the I. Am always used with I. Next, E also, sorry, filling the blanks with is, am, or have, E. Exercise E, first one, already done for you. I am a fairy. Next, my name, is or am or have, is.
My name is.
Next, third one, I, 8 years old. I am or is or have, I am. I am 8 years old. Next, fourth one, I have wings. My hair is black. I have brown eyes. Have, is, am, have. Am always used with I. Then I have we use I have, we have, you have, they have. Okay. He has, he is.
Can you explain what you said now?
Once again explain.
Yes.
Filling the blanks with is, am, or have. First one already done for you. I am a fairy. Okay, I am always used with I am a fairy. Next one you know already. My name. My name we use with is or my name we can say like that. No, don't say like that. My name is. My name is and pera like that. When I am 8 years old. Fourth one, I have wings. My hair is black like that. Did you understand where we can use is, am, are, or have, has? Okay.
Yes, miss.
Any doubt? Anyone?
No.
Me, I will help you. Once again, I will explain. No need worried. You can ask me. Filling the blanks with has or have. This one. Look at the picture. The baby. The baby have or has already done for you. Has. Second one. A house. Has or have. See?
Have. Have.
Third one. A car. See? You can see yourself.
Have.
First one, the baby has. One person. Second one, a house. House has. H-A-S has. Has. A car has. H-A-S has. Next, fourth one, I have a red hat. My brother, fifth one, has. My brother, one singular, one person. My brother has a pet dog. Next one, sixth one, I have a story book. Now, did you understand where we can use has, have, are, is? Okay? Any doubt? Ask me. Nigel, now you join. Why did you come late, Nigel? Okay.
Exercise daily.
Exercise.
Exercise. Letters കൂടെ.
Let us check it. Let us means what is the meaning? Let us. You know, let us. Namukku. Let us. Let us start our class. Let us start
നമുക്ക്.
our class എന്ന് മിസ് പറയാറില്ലേ? Let us say
Plural.
plural. Then we use have. Let us have idlis for breakfast. Did you understand? Let us എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? What is the meaning let us? Let us എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക്.
നമുക്ക്.
നമുക്ക്. അപ്പോ നമുക്ക് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ only one or singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural. നമുക്ക് നമ്മൾ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ plural ആണ്. So we have to use, so we can use have. Okay, any doubt? ക്രിസ്റ്റോ ജോൺ മനസ്സിലായോ? ക്രിസ്റ്റോ ജോൺ? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Any? Ridudev? Sad, where are you, Sad? Ridudev, did you understand? Godwin, Arjun, Naseem, Shamil, Priyanka, Adon, Alon, Bhavika, Afreen, Srishna, Askmi, Drishya, Lashmi, Abdul Hadi, Adinad, Parvana, Angel, Samajna, Ishan, Gauri, Anna Grace. Adal Cyril, Bhavika. Did you understand? Parvana, Albert, Asloba, Aromal, Hassan. എല്ലാവരുടെയും പേര് ഞാൻ വിളിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെന്നാ തോന്നുന്നത്. ഇനി ആരുടെയും പേര് വിട്ടുപോയോ? Did you understand? Use am, as, sorry, am, is, are, as, are. What, Nigel? ഓയ്യോയ്യോ, നേജലിനോടല്ലേ ആദ്യം ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചത് why did you come late എന്ന്. നേജൽ ഇപ്പോഴാണോ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കയറിയെന്ന് ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചത്. Okay, it's our first semester completed. Homework ചെയ്തിട്ട് എനിക്ക് അയച്ചു തരിക. Okay, you should do your homework. After that you can send it. Okay. Alone.
What is the homework? What is the homework?
Homework exercise C, D. I explained E, F. You can do yourself.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Okay. Which have finished? Okay.
C, D. D.
D. C, D. എന്തോ?
D വരെയല്ലേ finish ആയേ?
Now completed no mone. D, E filling the blanks with is, am or ham. I am fairy. First one already done for you. Next, second one, my name dash Lily. My name is. Third one, I dash 8 years old. Use have. I have 8 years old. Next one, I have wings. My hair is black. I have brown eyes. Like that. Adu arnjude. Makal, any doubt? Ask me. I'm here. Don't. 6 minutes is there. You can ask. Any doubt?
Yes.
Albert. Okay. Albert. Okay. Ask me. എന്താ മോനെ ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? ഓ
3A.
3A. ഏതാ മോനെ ചോദിച്ചോ?
ഈൽ എത്രയാ?
ഈൽ എത്രയാണോ?
ഈൽ 3.
ഈൽ 3. You can say about yourself. I am Albert Scaria. I am Albert Scadia.
Yes.
I am 8 years old. I am 8 years old. Like that you will say, no?
Yes.
Miss അറിയാതെ I have എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞോ?
മിസ് ഹാവ് പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു, അതാ ഡൗട്ട് ചോദിച്ചത്.
സോറി അത് ഫോർത്ത് വൺ ആണ് കേട്ടോ. സോറി, ഫോർത്ത് വൺ ആണ്. I have wings. Sorry for that. Okay. എനിക്ക് തോന്നി ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞോന്ന് എനിക്ക് ഇപ്പോഴും. Okay മോനെ, okay. I am, how you will say about yourself? My name is Albert Scadia. I am 8 years old. I am coming from, like that you will say, no?
Yes, miss.
Like that. So
Yes.
മിസ് ഇവിടെ ഹാവ് പറഞ്ഞോ? I have 8 years old എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞോ? അയ്യോ സോറി, ബൈ മിസ്റ്റേക്ക്. ഞാൻ അറിയാതെ പറഞ്ഞതാണ്. ആ ഫോർത്ത് വൺ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിട്ട് അങ്ങ് പറഞ്ഞു പോയതാ. ഇനി മക്കൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവാത്തവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിച്ചോളൂ. If you have any doubt, ask me. I will help you. Don't worry. Has, have, he, she, it. We can use has, have, I, you, we, have. Am always used with I. We learned. Sade, did you understand, Sade? Yes, Hassan.
I singular അല്ലേ?
Yes, I only one person. I, ഞാൻ. You, നീ. I, ഞാൻ. Only one. ഇനി ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിച്ചോ മക്കളെ. Does anyone have any doubt? Ask me. Priyanka, did you understand? Priyanka?
Miss.
എന്തോ സമജ്ഞ?
Miss. ഡീറ്റ് നാലാമത്തേൽ എന്താ?
D4.
My mother does
Long hair. My mother have or has? Has. My mother singular has.
Miss. F fourth one have അല്ലേ?
F fourth one. F ഏതാ പിക്ചർ? ഫോർത്ത് വൺ. Yes, I have a red hat. I has എന്ന് പറയോ? ഇല്ല. I have a red hat. അതാണോ ഫോർത്ത് വൺ?
അതെ.
Okay. Arjun, did you understand? Arjun? Nasime, did you understand? ഇപ്പൊ തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഹോംവർക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇനി ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കാലോ.
മിസ് എഫിലെ 2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു തരുമോ?
F2. F exercise FEF. Okay, second one. A house has many windows. A car has 4 wheels. One thing. My brother has a pet duck. I have a storybook. Sixth one. I have a storybook. Fourth one. Fourth, sixth have. I have a red hat, like that. Okay, children, it's time to wind up. Time over. Our first semester portions are completed ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Thank you, miss.
ഈ ഗ്രാമർ എല്ലാം മിസ് കുറെ പ്രാവശ്യം എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്ത് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇനി ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ അടുത്ത മാസം ക്ലാസ്സിൽ സ്കൂളിൽ വരുമല്ലോ, അപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് ഡൗട്ട് ഒക്കെ ക്ലിയർ ചെയ്യാം കേട്ടോ.
Okay, miss. Thank you, miss.